Abo peo gabbage balai, manch patichai khajalat. O sin, let heaven's misfortunes fall upon you. First it is bashfulness and then public shame for you. This proverb is quoted to a person who commits sin after sin and tell them to know to be sure that their sin will eventually catch up with them. Abo peo gabuch balai manch patchai khajalat. Ak zanane chai hath lanj booin byak chai bartalich hooin. One woman is like a 100-branch chinar tree that gives shade to everybody who comes and sits beneath it, and another one is like a bitch at the door. This proverb is quoted for the sake of comparison of the character of two women. Ak zanane chai hath lanj booin, byak chai bartalich hooin. Ach zalye bachtal bihit toh, to byak zalye tomul. One will sit by the fireplace and burn chaff, while another will burn rice. This proverb is quoted for the sake of comparison of someone's economy versus another person's extravagance. Ach zalye bachtal bihit toh, to byak zalye tomul. Ach te ach gau ka. 1 plus 1 are 11. This proverb is quoted to say that two heads are better than one to execute a job. Ak te ak gau ka. Ak knew Yaman, te byak khyau Brahman. Death took one and the other one was seduced from his own country to another country in hope of grain. This proverb is quoted for the sake of a man who has a large family but not one child is left to live with him. All are scattered around the world in foreign lands. Ak knew Yaman, to byak khyau Brahman.